Mastering the A2 Flyers, your gateway to English proficiency. Hello young learners and welcome to our brand new video. Today, we're going to dive into the A2 Flyers, an important part of the Cambridge English Young Learners series. This is a fantastic way to prove your English language skills, and together, we'll explore the best techniques to ace this test. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. The A2 Flyers, also known as YLE Flyers, is the third and highest level of the Cambridge English Young Learners Test. It's designed for children between 7 and 12 years old. This test shows that your child can understand simple English in everyday situations and can communicate in basic English. It's composed of 3 parts: reading and writing, listening, and speaking. The reading and writing part has 7 sections with 50 questions in total. Here, you will encounter various types of questions such as reading texts and writing short sentences, identifying and distinguishing words and structures, and completing short communicative messages. To excel in this part, you need to focus on improving your vocabulary, understanding simple sentence structures, and practicing writing short sentences. The listening test consists of 5 parts with 25 questions. During this section, you will listen to recorded conversations or monologues and answer the questions. The tasks can include matching, completing sentences, and answering multiple-choice questions. To ace this part, make it a habit to listen to English songs or watch English cartoons. This way, you'll get familiar with different accents and improve your listening skills. In the speaking test, you will interact with an examiner who will ask you questions, ask you to talk about a picture or arrange picture cards in a story. Don't worry, the examiner is there to help you, not trick you. Practice speaking English as much as you can, be confident, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap for the A2 Flyers test preparation. Remember, the key to success in this test is practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the English language. We hope this video has given you a clear roadmap to prepare for the A2 Flyers. Keep practicing and good luck. You're on your way to mastering the English language, and we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in our next video.